What's up everybody, welcome back to AZ Trading. It's the 28th of June, we're back on indices looking at the Nas 100 and we've managed to make a short position right at this level based on the RMR pattern, which is inspired by yours truly ICT. So we have a raid, market shift and then a return. Is there anywhere in this chart where you can find where the raid is? You can pause the video after I ask and try to find it, and then I'll reveal where it is. So the raid over here above these relative equal highs, so we call that the raid. Next, the market structure shift. Can you see where it broke in order to create a market shift? So right below these lows and below this swing low, any of those, that determines the market structure shift. And finally, the return. There's many things it can return to based on your entry pattern. So it can return to a premium, so above the 50% level. It can return to a gap, which is the one I used. So this gap in here is a 3-minute gap. And it can also return to things like an order block, which are these bullish candles. Within this area is a bullish order block. So anywhere with all these aligned would be a great area for an entry. So we've placed a short there. We have our stop, which is always controlled at the raid swing right here. We don't reduce it, we don't increase it. This is what we've decided to put, and our objectives will be at different areas of liquidity. So over here we have some relative equal lows, and at different swings we will take more partials then. Okay, let's see how this trade turns out. Just wanted to show that on the US 30, the exact same pattern, however we have a 1-minute gap where we've refined our entry here, in line with an order block and in a premium level as well. So we have two trades, two shorts, one on Nas and one on the Dow. Okay, next update. We've got a bit of bearish movement here. We have our position on the Nas and the Dow still running, just over here. And we've been presented a gap. So if it does retrace into this gap, I'll be happy to pyramid a smaller position for the move as well. Okay, I'll see you when the trade develops. Next update, we've taken a partial at this low, just a 25% partial, and we've reduced our risk to break even. Okay, and now we'll just let it run and see how far it goes. Just another update, we managed to get the retracement into that 5-minute gap. Now we've pyramided there, adding a position, and we've partialed again at this swing low, and now we're just going to put our final take profit at these relative equal lows down here, and our stop at the original entry position. 8:30, 9:30 and 10 AM with news is coming up, so we're just going to respect the risk, and we're just going to let this trade pan out, whichever way it decides to go. And just like that guys, we've reached our final objective at those relative equal lows. So overall, this is the entire section of price action, all framed with the RMR pattern. We've got that entry on that return gap, took our partial at some equal lows, got a pyramid position, managed to take partials at a different swing low, and then a final objective at these relative equal lows. Okay, so let's have a look at our account history and our orders. Oh, I should get rid of this buy stop. That was just my stop loss. This is the history. So we made a cool around 7k just on this Nas 100 trade. Let me know what you think of this style of video. I did one that was more like a live commentary instead of like a review, I suppose. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment or subscribe. And as always, take care. Peace.